Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off your mic in Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are signed in. Once you are in, you can either join a meeting or start a new one. When you are inside the meeting window, look at the bottom left corner. There you will see a small microphone icon. If the mic is on, it will appear without the red line. To turn off your mic, just click on that microphone icon and it will show a red slash, which means you are muted. You can also use the shortcut key Alt plus A on your keyboard to quickly mute or unmute your microphone during a meeting. This is really helpful if you need to turn off your mic without using the mouse. And if you want Zoom to always start with the mic off, go to Settings, click on Audio, and check the box that says Mute my microphone when joining a meeting. That way, you won't have to remember to mute every time you join. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off your mic in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.